See here. So laws of motion. The first problem, fifth problem, 5.5. A constant retarding force. A constant retarding force of 50 Newton. A constant retarding force of 50 Newton is applied to a body of mass 20 kilogram moving initially with a speed of 15 meter per second. How long does the body take to stop? How long does the body takes to stop? So here, what is the solution? How to do it? A constant retarding force. Retarding force means what? Negative force. So the meaning is minus F is equal to, so I write like this to understand. A retarding force. Okay, so retarding force means what? Minus F is equal to 15 Newton. So what is the meaning of this one? F is equal to minus 50 Newton. Okay. This minus 50 Newton is applied to a body of mass. So here what is there? Mass. Mass means what? M. M is equal to 20 kilogram. Okay. Moving initially with a speed of 50 meter per second. Initially with a speed. Initially means what? Initially means initial speed. Nothing but u. U is equal to how much they are given? 15 meter per second. 15 meter per second. How long does the body take to stop? How long? Long means what? How long means what? Nothing but time t is equal to question mark. How long? Long means what? Time. Long means time. How long does the body take to stop? Okay. So here what happens? What is the meaning of this one? Initial speed is there given. How long does the body take to stop? Means up to where it is stopping. Means what is the final velocity? We don't know. So the final velocity is what? 0. Now what is the formula? Here u is there, t is there, v is there. So what is the formula here? What we can write? V is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. From here we have to find out the time. So time means t is equal to, I'll write like this, v minus u is equal to a into t. Okay. Now here what is the meaning of this one? V minus u divided by j is equal to t. Okay. Now here v body, v is there, u you know, and acceleration density we have to find out. And so to get acceleration, what we have to do it? So what is the formula? F is equal to m into a. F is equal to m into a. But here force is how? Negative force. The meaning is what? Retarding force. So what I should write here? Minus F is equal to m into a. So a is equal to minus f divided by m. So minus f. F is how much? 15 Newton. So the meaning is 15 Newton minus 50 divided by mass. Mass, how much they are given? 20. So what is the value? 0 is going to cancel. Minus 2.5. A is equal to minus 2.5 meter per second square. Acceleration unit is what? Meter per second square. Now here we got a value. So here how long means time. So time is equal to what the formula? V minus u divided by a. So v is what? 0 minus u. U is how much? 15 divided by a is how much? Minus 2.5. From here, what is the value interpreted as? minus 15 divided by minus 2.5 minus minus. So this can be written as 15 divided by 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. So what is the meaning of this one? 15 when it comes up, 15 into 10 is 150 divided by 25. So what is the value? 5 3s are 15, 0. 5 5s are 25. So what is the meaning of this one? 5. So what is the value? 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So time is equal to 6 seconds. Once again, you see a constant retarding force. Retarding means negative force. So I have given as minus F is equal to 15 Newton. So the right F is equal to minus 15 Newton is applied to a body of mass 20 kilogram. So mass is 20 kilogram. Initially with a speed of 15 meter per second. Initially with a speed of 15 meter per second is what? Initial speed is u is equal to 15 meter per second. Next, how long does the body take to stop? How long? Long means what? Time. When it is stopping, we don't know. So final velocity is what? The body is moving. So if this is initial velocity, final velocity is what? We don't know. That is nothing but v is equal to 6. So what is the formula? Initial velocity, final velocity. Acceleration time, v is equal to u plus at. So v minus u is equal to at. T is equal to v minus u divided by. So we don't know acceleration. So here what is it? Force is given, mass is given. So what is the formula? F is equal to ma. A is equal to F by m. So F is nothing but minus F, retarding force, minus F by m. So I had substituted the value, I got minus 2. So what is the formula? T is equal to v minus u divided by a. So v is 0, final velocity minus u minus 50 divided by a means minus 2.5. So 2.5 I written as 25 by 10 minus minus cancel. So 150 divided by 25. 5 5s are here at 5 5s are 5 30s are. The meaning is 30 divided by 5. Nothing but 6 seconds. Now, sixth question, 5.6. A constant force acting on a body of mass 3 kg changes its speed from 2 meter per second to 3.5 meter per second in 25 seconds. The direction of the motion of a body remains unchanged, means it is not changing at all. What is the magnitude and direction of the force? What is the magnitude and direction of the force? So a constant force acting on a body, so of mass, how much they are given? 3 kilogram. So they are given, I am writing as mass m is equal to 3 kilogram. Mass m is equal to what? 3 kilogram. Next, changes its speed from 2 meter per second to 3.5 meter per second. So what is the meaning of this one? Its speed. Initial speed. How much they are given? 2 meter per second. Next, to 3.5 meter per second. Means what? It is moving with the speed. Final speed is how much? 3.5 meter per second. In 25 seconds. In 25 seconds means what? Time. T is equal to 25 seconds. The direction of the motion of the body remains unchanged. So what is the direction of the magnitude and direction of the force? They are asking the force. So here mass is given, initial velocity, nothing but initial speed as well as final speed and time. And they are asking the force. So what is the formula for force? F is equal to m into g. So m is there, 3 is there. but we don't know A. So they are given the final velocity as well as initial velocity. That is nothing but final speed, initial speed, and run time. So what is the formula? V is equal to u plus at. From here, t is equal to a is equal to v minus 2 divided by t. You can write like this. Otherwise, of course, you can write this like this. A is equal to v minus 2 divided by t. From here, we will get a value. We can substitute. So, what is the value? A is equal to final velocity, nothing but final speed. What is the value? 3.5 minus initial speed is 2 divided by time is 25. So what is the value you can write it as? 3.5 minus 2 is 1.5 divided by 25. So this can be as 15 by 10 into 25. So what is the value you can write it as? 5 3s are 5 5s are. So what is the value you can write? 3 divided by 50. 3 divided by 50. So if you calculate this one, this is nothing but 0.6 divided by 10. Means only this one I am calculating. The meaning is 5 times are 5 0.6. So what is the value? The meaning is 6 divided by 100. So this value you can write as 0.06 meter per second square. 0.06 meter per second square. So here, what is the magnitude and direction of the force? Force means what is the formula? M into A. So mass is how much? Mass is how much? 3 kilogram into acceleration is what? 0.06. This can be as 3 into 6 divided by 100. So what is the value? 3 into 6 is how much? 18 divided by 100. That is nothing but 0.18 Newton. 0.18 Newton. So the direction of motion, it is unchanged. Means it is moving in the same direction. It is moving in the same direction. Once again, a constant force acting on a body of mass 3 kilogram. So mass is given as 3 kilogram. Changes its speed. Changes its speed means from 2 meter per second to 3.5 meter per second. So this is initial velocity as well as this is the final velocity. Initial speed, final speed. So u and this and in 25 seconds. T is equal to 25 seconds. The direction of the motion of a body remains unchanged. It is unchanged. What is the magnitude and direction of the force? Force there are. Force for the formula F is equal to M. But here what happens? We want acceleration. To calculate acceleration, what is the formula we have to apply? V is equal to U plus A. So U, if it comes here, what is the value? V minus U is equal to EV. So A is equal to V minus 2 divided by. So here what is there? V minus 2 divided by T. That is nothing but 3.5 minus 2 divided by 25. So by calculation, what is the value we got it? 0.06. So F is equal to MA. So M means 3 kilogram. A is how much? 0.06. Therefore, what is the value? 0.18 meter. So the direction of the force is along the same direction. The force is moving along the same direction. Why? Because it is unchanged. The force is moving along the same direction of motion. It is unchanged. The force is moving along the same direction. See the seventh problem. A body of mass 5 kg is acted upon by the two perpendicular forces named as 8 Newton and 6 Newton. Give the magnitude and direction of acceleration of the body. So what is the meaning of this? A body of mass means 5 kilogram is acted upon by two perpendicular forces. So what is the meaning of this one? F1 is 8 Newton, F2 is equal to 6 Newton. There are two perpendicular forces. So what is the meaning of this one? Two perpendicular forces. One force, first one, they are given as 8 Newton, and another one they are given as 6 Newton. Okay. Next, magnitude of acceleration they are asking, as well direction of acceleration they are asking. Magnitude of acceleration they are asking, as well as direction of the acceleration they are asking. So how to do this problem? How to do the problem? So here magnitude of acceleration, magnitude of acceleration. So what is the value you should write? What is the formula? F is equal to m into E. So what is the value? A is equal to F by m. Magnitude. Magnitude means what? Root. So F means how much? Here 2 are there, 8 newtons and as well as 6 newton. So what am I doing? I am joining like this. Otherwise, we can join like this. The resultant force. This is the resultant force. So this is 6 Newton means if I join like this is also 6 Newton. And this is 8 Newtons means this is 8 Newton. So therefore this is also 8 Newton. So this is we are assuming as F1 and this is nothing but F1. So magnitude of acceleration. Magnitude of acceleration means what? What is the meaning of this one? Magnitude of acceleration. So what is the meaning of this one? The net force. Net force. This is the net force. So here what is there? You can write as some alpha angle theta or alpha. F net is equal to what? Magnitude means root. What I should write? F1 square plus F2 square. So from here, what is the value? Root of F1 square. F1 square is how much? 8 whole square plus F2 square is how much? 6 whole square. From here, what is the value? We can write it as 64 plus 36. Nothing but a root of 100. So what is the value we can write it as? F net. F net is equal to what? 10 newtons. So magnitude of the acceleration means what we should write? A is equal to F net divided by M. F net force means what? How much? 10 divided by mass. Mass M is how much? 5. So the meaning is 2 meter per second square. A is equal to 2 meter per second square. This is the magnitude of acceleration. Where we are studying this one? In the parallelogram law of vectors. Now, in the same way, direction of acceleration of the body. Direction of acceleration of the body. Direction means what is the meaning of this one? Direction of acceleration of the body. What I should write? Here what is there? Alpha. Direction of the acceleration means what? Tan alpha is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So this is 6 divided by 8. So what I should write? 2 3s are 3 4s are. 2 3s are 2 4s are. So what is the value? Tan alpha is equal to 3 by 4. Alpha is equal to what? Tan inverse of 3 by 4. This is the direction of acceleration of the body. And how it is moving? Well, it is moving around what? X direction. So give the magnitude and direction of the acceleration of the body. So this is the magnitude of acceleration and this is the direction of acceleration of the body. This is the 7th problem. See the 8th problem. The driver of a 3-wheeler moving with a speed of 36 km per hour sees a chain standing in the middle of the road and brings his vehicle to rest in 4 seconds. Just in time to save the chain. What is the average retarding force on the vehicle? Retarding force they are asking. Retarding force means what? Minus. The mass of the three-wheeler is 400 kg and mass of the driver is 65 kg. Okay. Now, the driver of a three-wheeler means what? The scooter is there. It may be having three-wheeler. Why? Because if the person is handicapped or tractor, three-wheeler, right? So the driver of the three-wheeler is moving with a speed. Moving with a speed means what? There is nothing but initial speed. Initial speed. Initial speed means what? Initial speed. U is equal to 36 km per hour. So what is the meaning of this one? 36 into kilometer per hour means 1 kilometer per hour is equal to what? 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So what is the value? 36 into 5 by 18. So the meaning is 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Next, sees a chain standing in the middle of the road. So while driving, he sees a chain in the middle of the road and brings the vehicle to rest. Means he is moving very fast and kept rest. Why? Because by seeing the chain. So what is the meaning of this one? Final speed is 0. Why? Because here it is a resting state. In 4 seconds. 4 seconds means what? Time t is equal to 4 seconds. Just in time to save the chain. What is the average retarding force? Average retarding force means what? Minus f is equal to question mark. Minus f is equal to question mark. Next, what is given still? Average retarding force on the vehicle. Next, here what is it? The mass of the three-wheeler is. So mass of the three-wheeler means mass m1 is 400 kg and mass of the driver is 65 kg. So there is nothing but m2 is equal to 65 kg. Okay. Now here we should know the acceleration. Acceleration is also known. So what is the formula we have applied? So the force F is equal to, what is your write? M into A. So the person is driving, his mass is 65 kg and vehicle mass is 400 kg. So what is the meaning of this one? M1 plus M2 into A. Okay. So this is the total mass. Total mass. So what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? F is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. So what is A? How to calculate A? So what is the formula? V is equal to U plus AT. So here what is it write? V minus 2 is equal to AT. From here what is it write? A is equal to V minus 2 divided by T. So from here A is equal to, what is V? What is V? 0 minus U is how much? 10 divided by time is how much? 4. So the meaning is minus 10 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 4 5s are. So minus 2.5 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. Now, so you got acceleration value. Now I should apply the force. So F is equal to M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 means what? 400 plus 65. So this is 400 plus 65 into here A is how much? Minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. So what is the value we can give it as? F is equal to 465 into minus 2.5. Okay, so F is equal to minus 465 into 2.5. We have to calculate. So whatever the value you got it, that is the answer, and the answer will be the Newton. The answer will be in Newton. So by calculating minus 116.25 Newton. So here what is it, right? Minus F is equal to, this can be written as 11 point. So if it comes here 11.6 into 10 to the power of, otherwise you can keep the value simply. So the answer is minus F is equal to, here what is the value? Minus F is equal to 116.25 Newton. Minus 116.25 Newton. Still we can evaluate. If this point comes here, it may become 11.6. You can write as 12.6 something. So you can write the answer like this. So this is the retarding force. They are asking average retarding force of the vehicle. So there is nothing but minus F is equal to minus F is equal to 116.25 Newton. Once again you see, the driver of the vehicle, three-wheeler, the driver of the three-wheeler is moving at the speed of 36 km per hour, means initial speed. U is equal to 36 km per hour. 36 km per hour means what? 36 into 5 by 18. So what is the value? 10 meter per second. Sees a child standing in the middle of the road. The middle of the road, who is there? Child is there, and brings his vehicle to rest. Means by giving brake, he is becoming rested. So final velocity becomes, final speed or final velocity becomes what? 0. V is equal to 0. And t is equal to 4 seconds. T is equal to 4 seconds. Just in time to save the chain. What is the average retarding force on the vehicle? Retarding force means what? Minus F is equal to question mark. Mass of the three-wheeler is M1, that given as 400 kg, and mass of the driver M2 is 65 kg. So what is the formula we have to apply? Mass F is equal to M into A. M means what? Total mass. How many mass are there? M1 is there, M2 is there. M1 plus M2 into A. Next, here add in the same formula. What I written here? So V is equal to U plus AT. V minus U is equal to ET. A is equal to V minus 2 by T. So A is equal to V minus 2 by T. V means what? 0. Minus U is initial speed. How much? 10 meter per second by 4. I got this value. F is equal to M1 plus M2 into D. A I substituted, I got this value. Okay. So minus F, nothing but retarding force. Now, ninth problem is a rocket with a lift of mass 20,000 kg is blasted upwards with an initial acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Calculate the initial thrust. Thrust is nothing but force on the blast. Means a rocket when it flies off, its mass is how much? 20,000 kg. So what is the value we can write as? 20,000 kg means what? 2 into 10 to the power of 4 kg is blasted upwards. Means somewhere it went up and it blasted with an initial acceleration. Acceleration is equal to how much? 5 meter per second square. Calculate the initial thrust. Thrust is nothing but force. Force is equal to question mark. So what is the value you should write? F is equal to M into A. F is equal to M into A. So here what is it? Mass. Mass is how much? 2 into 10 to the power of 4. And here what is it? When it moves up with an acceleration. So here what happens? When it moves up it blasts. When blast means what? Again it falls down with what? 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, plus, and its acceleration is how much? 5 meter per second square. So this is the total acceleration. So what is the value? You can write it as 9. So 9.8 plus 5.08, 14. So this is nothing but 14.8 meter per second square. So here what I should write? F is equal to m into e. F is equal to mass is how much? 2 into 10 to the power of 4 into 14.8. What is the value correct? 2 8s are 16.2 4s are 8, 9, 2 1s are into 10 to the power of 4 Newton. 29.6 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton. So this can be written as equals to 2.96 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton. Once again you see, a rocket with a lift of mass 20,000 kilogram is blasted upwards. A rocket moves up and it is blasted with an initial acceleration of what? 5 meter per second square. When it moves up, what it's blast. So again it is falling down, that is nothing but 9.8 meter per second square plus 5 meter per second square. So its acceleration is how much? 14.8 meter per second square. So they are asking the force, nothing but thrust. Force means m into a. Mass 2 into 10 to the power of 4 into a means how much? 14.8 meter per second square. So we will get this value. So these problems from 5th or to 9th. So all are same models. That's why I did. And if you do the JEE problems as well NEET problems, it will be simple. Okay. And on this one, they may give the same question or little twist. Only the numbers will change and they may give in the exam. Okay, for the regular especially.